This video will demonstrate how to add a header file. If you are not already at the universe, you can navigate to the universe from any other Semel. Header files can only be added here at the universe. You can have 0 or more header files. The Semel Editor contains the 107 header files in the 2024 C++ standard. You can make a new one, and here are the attributes that you can see appearing in the .h and the .cpp. First of all, there is a name that is missing. So let's go over here to the name, give it a name, say a header file, and then press the Enter or Return key, which makes that name take effect here and in the guard and in the CPP file. Next, you can add a comment. You can say anything you want here in C++ or in English or any other language you like. Press the Enter or Return key, and the comment shows up in the header and in the source file. You can also disable the guard, which you get by default, by saying, "No, I do not want the guard." Or you can edit, undo the removal, and put the guard back in. If you have the guard, all of the contents and members of the header file will be inside the guard. Now let's use this header file. Let's navigate to the universe. Let's make a new main. Let's call it a main function. Press the Enter or Return key. And now add here in the source file preprocessor directives association a new hash include. It says, which one do you want? So let's change which header file we're using and use the a header file that we made a moment ago. Press the Enter key. There is only one, so let's select it. Now the hash include knows which header it's using, and the name of the header appears here. You can navigate from the hash include to the header file and reverse. The header file knows that it's used by that include, so you can navigate back to the hash include. Header files always know all of their uses. To navigate back to the header file, let's change something else. Let's change the delimiter from double quotes to angle brackets, and then if we select the use and navigate to it, we can see that the delimiter is used here at the hash include. Another thing that is appearing in the same way is the path name. If you add a path like foo/bar, press the Enter key. That path appears in the comment at the top of both files. And if you navigate to the use, you can see that that path appears here inside the hash include directive. And one more, let's navigate back and change the suffix to something else like HPP. Press the Enter or Return key. It appears here. But if you also navigate to the use, then it appears here as well. The final point to make about header files is that they become two different files, text files, when you export them. One is a header file, one is a source file. They will contain the same semels, some of which appear only in one. For example, if you put a typedef in the header, there is no corresponding output in the source file for a typedef. So the members are the members of both the header file and the source file. So that's the my header files are association. Adding a member to a header file will be discussed in a different video. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching.